If you're a new designer, then stick around because I want to share with you 5 important things that you need to know as you get started on this journey. Let's go. So before we get started, let me remind you, if you're looking for more tips, tricks, hacks, tutorials, and other design inspiration videos, then make sure you click that subscribe button. And also don't forget to hit that notification bell to get notified every time that I post a new video. So the other day I was thinking about when I first started in design and some of the things that I wish someone had told me when I was starting out on that journey. So 6 years later, I'm kind of at that point now where hopefully I can share some of the things that I've learned with you, and it's going to help you get started on your design journey. So here are 5 important things to remember. Number 1 is you don't need to have everything worked out right now. When I first started in design, I thought I needed to know everything about Photoshop. I thought I needed to know everything about Illustrator, everything about the design process, every single technical aspect, every single piece of technology. I thought I had to master it before I could even have any clients. But the fact is that none of us, even those designers with 20 years experience, have it worked out. We're all on this journey together. We're all still learning, all still trying different things, all still trying new software, trying different client processes. You will not have everything worked out before you start design. So the way you're going to know more is if you just get started. As you make mistakes, as you try new things, as you gain more experience, that is really where you're going to learn. And remember, if you're under 30, you have like 40 years of a career left anyway. So you've got so much time to learn, to develop, to grow. It's not all going to come to you in your first year of design. You're going to learn it over many, many years. So just get started. Number 2 is stay focused on your lane. Now this is a huge one because comparison will kill your creativity. You're probably following designers and other creatives on Instagram, Pinterest, Dribbble, and all of these different places, but just make sure that they're there to inspire you, not so you can compare yourself against them. When you start to compare yourself to other creatives, what happens is you look at the negatives in your own work, the flaws, the faults, the lack of skill, and your creativity actually shrinks. So by all means, learn from other creatives, let them inspire you, let them mentor you, but whatever you do, do not compare yourself directly to them. Number 3 is find your why. There's a reason why you picked up Photoshop, there's a reason why you started design, there's a reason why you enjoy it. You need to identify what that why is. Maybe it's to see change, maybe it's to inspire others, or maybe, like me, it's to bring hope. When you know why you design and why you create, it's a lot easier to get through the difficult days because you have something that motivates you and something you can keep focused on. Number 4 is don't get comfortable. I used to teach drums, and some of the students that I had, I would teach them this specific beat. It was like the first thing they would learn, and they would start to learn it, then they would master it, then they would perfect it, and they were really happy about that because they'd learned something. The problem was they would keep playing this beat over and over and over again, and some of them didn't even show up for any future lessons because they thought they had learned enough. Don't be that kind of designer. As a new creative, you're going to be learning a lot, but don't get comfortable with one technique, with one style, with one way of doing design. Your future self will thank you if you prioritize learning and growing in this season. So number 5 is be yourself. Now design is art, and art is an expression of your thoughts and your emotions. Don't cover that up by trying to be someone else. Over time, you'll develop your own style and your own techniques. And as a new designer, that will start to come naturally as you keep creating and keep learning. No one can replicate your personality, so use it to your advantage. So those are 5 things that I wish someone had shared with me when I first started out in design, and hopefully that's going to help you on your designer journey. If you've enjoyed this video, then make sure you leave a like. It really does go a long way to helping this channel, and also consider subscribing for plenty more videos like this to come. As always, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon.